Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys a quick walkthrough through the maze on Dress to Impress. Well, it's like in their quest. So go right here. And as you can see, there's going to be like a red line. It's not very visible, but you can see it. And you're just going to follow that. So I'm just going to follow that line. Sometimes it's visible, sometimes it's not. And make sure you don't get caught by the traps. So like don't step on it. And just jump, and here's just me walking through the maze. It's actually easier this way apparently, and not by following the fireflies, which I did last time, which are these like lights here. And it's just much easier. I do this in like a span of like a few minutes actually. Thank God I'm alone in this maze, because honestly after this I'm gonna exit the game because I've done this way too much. So just follow the red line and make sure you don't get caught by the traps. Also, I think if one person does this and the rest doesn't have to like do this, I think. Same as like when you were trying, well, when people were trying to find Lana's house in the first chapter, only one person only one person did it. So we don't really have to, but just follow the red line. It is way easier like this. And I think chapter 3 is the easiest one out of all. And make sure you don't die because it's a hassle. I like to wait and then like go rather than jumping, to be honest. Again, following this path until you find the end of the maze. Almost there. I've been through this maze like 10 times already, not gonna lie. We're almost there. There we go, and now you finished the maze. Congratulations. The rest is easy. I have a tutorial on another video, but yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.